Many of the retirement strategies utilized by your parents have grown outdated and may no longer apply to you today. This class compares the old retirement paradigms of yesteryear and the new realities of today as you prepare to retire in the 21st century. In this course, you'll learn about tax rate risks and why experts say tax rates could double, how rising taxes may affect your retirement cash flow, and the catch-22s of 401ks and IRAs, how the new rules regarding the rate of withdrawals can affect you, how to ensure you won't run out of money in retirement, and how to liquidate your retirement assets in the right order to eliminate sequence of returns risk. We'll cover the real cost of Social Security taxation on your retirement income, as well as how IRAs and 401ks can affect your Social Security. Explore available strategies to minimize or eliminate this taxation while maximizing your Social Security income. Compare between taking your financial cues from media outlets versus learning the basics of retirement planning from a trusted, reliable, and unbiased source. Analyze the real impact of dramatic market loss in retirement, how to mitigate two types of investment risks, why asset allocation alone may not be enough, and how to truly diversify your retirement portfolio. This course is designed to give you an exhaustive and comprehensive view of financial education while uncovering the many new pitfalls that threaten to derail retirees in the 21st century. You'll receive comprehensive guides and workbooks for you to keep and take notes. Seating is limited. Register today to reserve your seat.